What's good, guys? This is Seth with Ascent22. So in my last video, I told you guys that Cardano's price will go crazy, and just as I predicted, Cardano gained over 20% since then. But now there's something very concerning happening in Bitcoin's chart. Let's take a look at that, and let's take a look at how that would affect Cardano's price as well. As you guys already know, the content is free, the jokes are free. All I ask is you help a brother out, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's get the channel to 100 subscribers. Now let's jump right into it. Let's look at Bitcoin's chart. We are looking at the daily price chart for the Bitcoin versus US dollar pair at the moment. And if you guys have been following this channel, then you know that I've been tracking the price of Bitcoin in this ascending wedge pattern for a pretty long time, right? So this pattern over here that I'm drawing out, this is the ascending wedge pattern. If you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe so you get my next updates in case something changes in this chart, right? So this ascending wedge pattern is a bearish indicator, and it normally predicts with a high probability that the price will fall soon, right? And I believe price will fall probably in the next day or two, right? Currently, we see price testing the trend line about the fourth time. This is the fourth time price is testing this trend line, and I believe price will fall this time. Bitcoin has been clearly rejected of the $51,000 level. So Bitcoin got rejected at this $51,000 price level. And I believe it's going to head down. It's going to break out of this ascending wedge pattern for the first time. And it'll probably head down close to the $40,000 level. But I also believe with a high probability that it will probably get some support at this price line, between the $42,000 and the $43,000 price level. So from my technical analysis, there's a high probability that the price of Bitcoin falls from 49,000 to 42,000. But from there, there's also the probability that it falls even lower and go touch the 39,000 or the $40,000 price level. Now let's look at how Cardano could be affected. We are looking at the daily price chart for the Cardano versus US dollar pair at the moment. And from this chart, we see that the price of Cardano is also trading in the same ascending wedge pattern as Bitcoin, right? And like I said in the Bitcoin's price analysis, that this ascending wedge pattern normally breaks down, right? It normally predicts with a high probability that the price will break down, right? And at the moment, we see that Cardano's price is sitting right at the edge of the trend line. It has touched this trend line about twice already. So I believe in case Cardano does fall, and there's a high probability that Cardano will fall if Bitcoin also falls, right? And in case Cardano does fall out of this ascending wedge pattern, there's a high probability Cardano will go touch the $2 price level, or probably even maybe it will probably get some support over here around the $2, the $2.30 level. So in case the price of Bitcoin falls from grace and falls from $49,000 to $42,000, then I believe there's also a high probability that the price of Cardano falls from $2.70 to about $2, about $2 even, or maybe even $2.30. It will probably get some support at $2.30 and probably even head lower. That was my quick emergency technical analysis for you guys. Don't forget to help a brother out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get the channel to 100 subscribers. And also check out the links in the description to get your 7.5% APY interest rates from BlockFi.